Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the eBay application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to receive any notifications from the eBay application on your device, then if you check within the application, then there is no option to turn off notifications from within. So if you wish to turn off notifications, just long press on the eBay application and you will see the info button. Tap on this button and you will be taken into the application info page. Tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the application. Once the app has been stopped, tap on notifications underneath privacy, and now if the allow notifications option is turned on, then this will enable all notifications from the app. So turn this toggle off and you will not receive any notifications anymore. You can also modify what kind of notifications you would like to receive by clicking on notification categories. And from there, you will be able to modify individual types of notifications. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the eBay application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.